Imagine if every country had a system like this. A young boy in the Philippines threw away a single bag of trash, then walked home thinking it was gone forever. But he had no idea that the same trash would soon become part of the energy that lights up his community. Instead of ending up in a landfill, the garbage truck delivered the waste to a modern waste-to-energy facility. Then, the trash was transformed into heat. The heat produced powerful steam. The steam spun a massive turbine, and the turbine generated electricity. Moments later, electricity began flowing through power lines, reaching homes, schools, hospitals, and businesses. Something people once called waste had become a valuable source of energy. And that's not the only benefit. Less waste sent to landfills means cleaner communities, healthier surroundings, and more space that can one day be restored to nature. Imagine the landfill slowly disappearing, replaced by green forests, clean rivers, birds filling the sky, and wildlife returning home. One smart system, helping create cleaner communities and a healthier future. Now imagine if every country invested in solutions like this. Would you support more waste-to-energy projects in your country? Comment your thoughts below, and follow for more amazing science stories that could shape our future.